Hello friends, I am Emma. Today we will draw a very pretty pair of lips. First, I will draw the outline of the lips. Let's go slowly so the curves look soft and smooth, just like a gentle smile. Try to keep your hand steady so the lines do not shake. Next, I will trace the lips again to make the outline clear and neat. Go little by little and move slowly so everything stays in place. A bold outline helps the lips stand out more, like they are already smiling at us. Now it is time to color. Red. First comes the top lip in bright red. Color carefully and try not to go outside the lines. Red looks like a ripe strawberry or a shiny apple. So cheerful and warm. After coloring a little, pause and look back. It already looks more beautiful. Blue. Next is the bottom lip with a cool blue color. Color slowly so the shade spreads evenly. Blue is like the clear sky or the calm ocean. Color evenly so it looks soft and smooth. Finally, Let's color the middle part with orange. Orange. Orange is bright like a summer sunset, warm and happy. Check carefully so no small spot is left white. Once the orange is done. Drawing was so much fun, and you did great. And I hope to see you again in the next video.